Hi, I find
My name
you
is Aaron.
Yes, I find you
I'm a
attractive.
Taurus.
Yeah.
I think you're sassy.
This is the area that's so difficult for so many men because they think when they're approaching, all I want is to put that muffin into my mouth.
Let's go. I'll take 7 muffins. Huh?
I don't know.
Give me a knuckle bump. Boom. What's up, gentlemen? So we're back. Marni, the wing girl method, is here to answer some of the most burning questions that you guys have. So one of the things that I think a lot of guys struggle with is anxiety when it comes to talking to a woman or a dude or whatever you're into, right? And you have an incredible method that you were just talking to me a little bit about in terms of how to actually approach and what to actually say when you see somebody that you're actually interested in.
Yeah, so I have a method.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
Before we get to that, a message from today's video sponsor. Blue 32! Blue 32! Set! Hi, gentlemen, go! I'm kidding. What I'm not kidding about, though, is the fact that the big game is just about here, and personally, I'm super pumped for all the action. But the truth is that only people in the know where the real action is. The real action is at DraftKings Sportsbook. Today, guys, I've teamed up with DraftKings to give all new customers a winning offer. So check this out. All new customers have to do is sign up at DraftKings using my promo code ALPHAM and bet at least $5 on the big game. And you're instantly going to receive an additional $200 in bonus bets. It's crazy. It's literally that simple. New customers, all you got to do, bet $5 on the big game, and you're going to get $200 in bonus bets deposited into your account. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're like, yo, Alpha, what should I use those additional $200 in bets for? Well, you could actually try some same game parlays, where you can actually combine multiple bets on the same game, like which team is going to get the most passing yards. Go back. And who will score the first touchdown of the night for even bigger winnings? And if mobile sports betting isn't available in your state, don't worry, because you can still get in on all the fun with DraftKings Daily Fantasy. Are you ready? Gentlemen, if you're ready, hit the link down below. Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app now. New members, sign up using the promo code ALPHAM. Bet $5 on the big game, and you're going to get $200 additional dollars in bonus bets instantly. That's promo code ALPHAM only at DraftKings Sportsbook. Marni, let's talk about how to approach a woman.
Okay, so I have a method that is called OSA. There's a ton of other methods out there. Yes, OSA. OSA, observe, share, and ask. Again, there's a ton of other methods out there for how to approach a woman, but I find that this one is the best in terms of how men have approached me over the years.
Woo.
So OSA, observe, share, and ask, OSA. And what it does is it cuts out the first few minutes of fluff that so many guys throw in.
Like, what do you mean, like fluff? Like, so I was.
Like, yeah, so hi, my name is Aaron.
What's happening?
Hey. Blah, blah, the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. Like, that gets cut out immediately because what happens when guys approach like that.
Is your father a terrorist?
Yeah, exactly.
Goes through the bomb!
They're not.
Have you not heard that one?
No, but see, I like lines like that. The thing is, if you can carry off those lines, then they work really well. And if you smile afterwards when you do them, you can totally
We'll
do that.
talk about pickup lines later. Let's talk about OSA. OSA.
OSA. It cuts out the fluff, and it has you approaching her as if you already know her. Not like you're asking permission to get to talk to her, which is a huge thing for so many guys. So OSA, observe. So you make an observation about the world around you, right? An observation about the sky.
Not her.
It can be about her.
It can be.
It can be about her. It can be about you. It can be about the smells. It can be about just an observation, okay? And then the next part is going into sharing about that observation, which is the meat of OSA. Sharing is expanding on the why behind the observation. So you're going to say why you made that observation and how it pertains to you. This is the area that's so difficult for so many men because they think when they're approaching, they should just ask a woman question after question to get her to open up. But what they should be doing is leading by example and open up first themselves. Because during sharing, you give little tidbits of you, right? So for example, let me show you.
I need examples.
Yes, okay. Well, A is the ask the question, and I'll show you how to do all of that together. So observation. Let's say you're at a coffee shop and you go, oh my God, it smells so good in here, right?
Wait, I'll be the woman. I'll be the woman on the phone, and then
But you're not even looking at the woman specifically.
Oh, I could just be a dude. You could be approaching. Okay.
And this you can do to any single person.
All right, so go ahead.
Practicing all the time.
So I'm just hanging out in a coffee shop.
Oh my God.
Oh hey.
Oh, it smells so good in here. You know what? I die for this chocolate chip muffin. Every single morning I think about it when I wake up, and then I get here, and all I want is to put that muffin into my mouth. Right? So.
If a woman actually said that to me, I'd be like,
you'd be like, okay, let's go.
Let's go. I'll take 7 muffins.
It's true. See, it works on the flip side.
I can't say that. Oh, I just want to jam a muffin in my mouth.
No, listen, you're not thinking that right after that sentence you're going home. That it's the sentence that gets you into her pants.
Okay.
It's the sentence that breaks open the conversation without a woman putting up a barrier so that it's harder for you to actually get talking.
Okay. Let's use another example. All right, so you're at a coffee shop.
Yeah.
You're hanging out, you're at a table next to somebody, okay? Because that's, I think, part of the problem is it's the situation. Like, you know, you're standing in line, you're sitting next to them. How do you make that conversation? Okay,
well, using OSA, you would just say something about, you can either do about the smell, something that she's doing. So let's say she's typing on her computer, and you could even say as an observation, oh, you're typing really loudly. Like you're working really hard at whatever you're working on. I know that when I type that hard, it means I'm seriously into what I'm doing, right? Because that's telling a little bit about you that you're passionate. I'm really into what I'm doing. And then you would say, what are you working on?
Ooh, okay. Just pull it together.
It's just pulling it all together. Because for so many guys, it's so challenging for them to either do a direct approach, which is literally going up to a woman and saying, hi,
my name is Aaron.
Yes, I find you
I'm a Taurus.
Yeah.
I think you're sassy.
Yes. And for so many guys, they do need at least another 2 minutes to build that attraction. Because they don't have that initial attraction there. They need something to create that space of attraction and connection with a woman before they can jump over the hurdle of asking for more.
I love it. Do you have another method that's effective?
I have a whole bunch of methods.
Methods?
Yes, a whole bunch of methods. But you have a method too, the F method.
Well, you've got the F method.
Right, that is true. I have F with her 100% that every guy should get.
Which? Go ahead.
Oh, I can do this now? Okay, yeah. So if you want to F with her, then go check out my free video series that tells you exactly, within 5 steps, how to attract any woman you want. So go to fwithher.com.
Guys, it's going to be linked down below. Also, Marni's YouTube channel, go make sure to subscribe because she is dropping nuggets of sexually satisfying information.
Is that what I do?
You do, you do today. Anyway, that's the next video we're gonna film. Anyway, you've got other methods about how to approach and what to say and how to do it.
One of the best methods that I love is just literally going up to a woman and saying like, hey, I love your vibe. I love your energy. Something about you I love.
You can do that in California.
You can't do it over in Atlanta?
I don't know. If you like, it may be.
Hey, my name's Aaron.
All right, so here's a question. All right, so compliments, right?
Yeah.
Compliments. What is an appropriate thing to compliment a woman on? Not like physical, right?
I mean, listen, at the end of the day, every single person likes a compliment, but it's not going to be that hurdle that gets her to open up and start chatting with you. But absolutely, you can go up if you want to be really bold and say like, you're beautiful, like your eyes.
No.
You can say all of those things.
But it's more like, what about like, oh, I really love your shoes. Is that
okay? And then I'd say, okay, you like my shoes? Do you want to go shoe shopping with me?
Well, or that's an amazing handbag. Are they peep toe pumps?
That's Versace.
Exactly.
I have the exact same ones.
But you could. Hey, I like your sweater. You could. Your hair looks amazing.
Yeah. Listen, you can compliment with anything. There is nothing. But not like very few things that are off limits.
Okay.
You can say, I love that shirt. You can say that bracelet's amazing.
That shirt makes your boobs look amazing.
Pop. Just pop.
Your boobs pop. Say it, honey. Go ahead, say it.
The thing is that if you are saying it the right way, you can get away with anything.
Can you say your boobs pop in that sweater?
So yes, and my boobs do pop in this sweater. Okay. I will tell you something. So I used to say this all the time. You could have 5 guys line up in front of me all saying the exact same line. Literally saying banana, banana, banana or something like that. And I'm going to get a different feeling from every single one of them. Because as I said before in one of our other videos, it's more about how you say something than what you're actually saying. 85% of communication is non-verbal. So one guy I'm going to want to sleep with, one guy I'm going to want to like coddle for half an hour because I feel so bad for him, and all of them I'm going to feel differently. It's really how you're saying it.
Guys, non-verbal communication, guys, is a bigger piece of the equation in terms of attraction than actually what you say.
And here's one thing. So we were talking about OSA before, and then I kind of mentioned guys who ask a lot of questions, and this can, if you continue to ask questions without actually opening up yourself, again, it can have a woman drop that barrier. So instead of asking questions, what I like guys to do is for them to make assumptions. So instead of saying like, hey, where are you from? You make an assumption.
You look like you're from Detroit.
Exactly, because that's
Detroit.
You can't help but engage in that, right? You can't help but want to respond to that. Whereas questions, you can kind of just say Atlanta and then move away. So I would make assumptions rather than asking questions.
That's perfect, because she can correct you.
Yes.
Guys,
Yeah, and it's a great way to start teasing as well.
Ooh, teasing? Yep. Escalating?
Yes, escalating.
Escalating. We'll talk about escalating in another video. Gentlemen, that's where we're going to wrap things up. If you dug this video, make sure to drop one of these.